You'll never have to worry about stains or vacuuming the house ever again, because today we're going to be checking out the DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone Robot Vacuum by ECOVACS. So the unboxing process itself was pretty simple and self-explanatory. And right as you open the box, you get a quick start guide on how to use this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and set this thing up. So after I set up the base station and filling it up with clean water, I filled up the 2 separate liquid containers with the ECOVACS DEEBOT cleaning solution, as well as their heavy duty cleaning solution. Then it was time to set up the robot vacuum itself by scanning the QR code underneath the top lid of the body of the vacuum with the ECOVACS app. Once that was set up, it just needed an update to get ready to go. And to give you guys a little bit of background, I just moved into a new home and it's a lot larger than my last home. So there's gonna be a lot of edges and corners that are gonna collect dust, and it's just gonna stay hidden just because I'm not used to the home just yet. And also I'm probably not gonna be able to clean every little corner. Let's map out the house. Start mapping, please. Oh yeah, this is gonna take a while, guys. There's a lot of ground to cover. Because of the space, it took a little bit of time, but it used its smart AI detection features to map out the entire first floor. And also with my girlfriend's cat running around, there's gonna be pet hair that gets into the crevices that usually wouldn't get cleaned. And another thing you won't have to worry about is maintenance thanks to the app, because it shows you the estimated remaining time before you actually have to swap them out. And they make it extra convenient by adding a purchase link once you actually need it. Now that the mop is clean, let's see what the dirty water is looking like. Okay, so the dirty water got transported into here. Let's open this up. Oh yeah, it's definitely dirty. Look at this, guys. Murky. So let's talk about the key features the DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone has to offer. Say you're in an intense gaming session and accidentally knock over a drink. It's inevitable, but your carpet or hardwood floors are going to get stained. But don't worry, because there's a feature called the Focus Jet and the Osmo Roller 3.0. And if you ever run into a similar situation where you spill your drink and it starts to stain your floors, let me go ahead and demonstrate it to you guys. Let's go ahead and move this over to the stain. So we're right about here when it comes to zoning. All right, here we go. When autofocus jet is enabled, the system automatically recognizes stains such as soy sauce and coffee. Then it sprays water to soften the stains, helping achieve efficient removal and deep cleaning. Oh, there it goes. For more information, this feature provides up to 46,000 Pascal units of water pressure with pressurized stain treatment spray, as well as the Osmo Roller 3.0 providing continuous scrubbing roller. That was quick. So the Focus Jet system sprays directly onto tough stains to break them down first, which makes them easier to clean in one pass. And at the same time, the Osmo Roller 3.0 instant self-washing mopping system continuously washes the roller with clean water during the cleaning so it doesn't spread dirt back onto the floor. Isn't that cool? You can basically create a zone for it to clean and it'll take care of all the stains and all the spills that, you know, may have been caused by either you or your kids or even a pet. Start the auto clean and see what it does. Right now I have the cleaning mode on vacuum and mop. You can also change it to mop after vacuum, but I think I'm gonna do vacuum and mop at the same time. For the suction power, we can go all the way up to strong or max suction power, but I think I'm just gonna stick with standard for now. We can also change the water flow rate, the cleaning speed, and the cleaning passes. So while I'm in the advanced settings, this is one of the features that I wanted to showcase. This is True Edge 3.0. The True Edge 3.0 feature allows the DEEBOT to extend their roller mop to be able to clean corners and edges that usually would not get cleaned. This robot vacuum is also built to remove pet hair and dust that's very stubborn to see and pick up, which usually would go unnoticed. The DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone has a bagless dust collection design, so it makes it very convenient to throw away whatever the robot vacuum picks up. Also, if you're interested, ECOVACS is offering another version of this vacuum in the same series that comes with the traditional dust bag station design called the X12 Pro Omni, and I'll leave the link down below in the description. So when it comes to my first impressions on the DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone, it has saved me a lot of time to focus on creating content and editing while the robot vacuum is working around the house, working on picking up all the dust and cleaning all the stains, you know, wherever it needs to clean up. The cleaning noise is also not that loud, so it allows me to record videos while the robot vacuum is running. For example, I'll be recording a video right now and the vacuum will be running. You guys won't be able to hear that. The blast feature provides up to 22,000 Pascal units of suction power, designed to quickly pick up dry debris such as crumbs and larger particles like pet food or snack pieces in one pass. Now, the overall app experience is pretty easy to navigate and set up, so even for older individuals who aren't so savvy with tech, will be able to figure it out quite naturally. The TruePass adaptive 4-wheel drive climbing feature allows for the vacuum to effortlessly climb over rugs with a slightly larger thickness. And the Zero Tangle 4.0 feature allows for human hair or cat hair to be vacuumed without worrying about tangling on the brush. Here we have a cluster of human hair. It's my hair, okay? We also have a ton of pet hair. This is my girlfriend's cat's. Oh my gosh. All right, so I've got the area selected. Let's go ahead and start the vacuum. Oh, it's sucking up the hair underneath. There it goes. The human hair has been picked up. And just like that, all the hair has been picked up. When docked, the power boost feature allows for the X12 to charge up to 13% in just 3 minutes while washing the mop. All right, now if we dock it into the station, it should start charging. And in about 3-ish minutes, we're gonna get like 13% of battery. So as you guys can see, it's currently 12:12, and not even a minute later, guys, it is at 98%. You guys saw it here first. It charged so quickly. It's kind of mind-blowing if you ask me. I also don't have to tidy up anymore before cleaning because the X12 can recognize and avoid common household obstacles like cables, shoes, and pet items on its own. Dirty water auto management and hot air drying help prevent odor buildup and reduce day-to-day maintenance. I would say the most ideal customer for this robot vacuum is for people with larger homes and mixed floor types like mine, where it crosses between hardwood and carpet across the entire floor. It's also perfect if you have kids or pets. It'll take care of all the frequent spills while keeping it low maintenance. And as I've shown you guys before, it'll let you know when you need to replace any of the components in the DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone. Overall, I'm happy with this robot vacuum, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.